forgot. No, this one's never had a kickstand. I can look at my phone and show you a video of it running the damn ladder. What's that? Yeah, that exhaust. In here. Is it all down or? Yeah, it's half off. It won't start when you're pulling in the front.
Compression?
Okay, that's a good question. I'll go and get my phone for the video of training.
Okay.
Well, this is the new toy, guys. KP Moto's new toy.
That reminds me of Dylan.
Thank you, guys. SSR 125, Keaton's file.
But he reminds me of Dylan. No, it's a strip. It's like mine. It's like my 400s. Oh my. No, it's not even stripped or bent or nothing.
Yeah, that was cross threaded on there.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, I got it. It still goes on there just fine.
Gosh, it's warm today.
This sounds good too.
So, just a question.
Yeah.
What made you think to put that big...
That was the guy I got it from,
tip?
and he was just bored one day in the shop, and he put it on there. It sounds good. Like, going down the road and you downshift into third from fourth.
Did it crackle?
Oh, it crackles like a motherfucker.
Downshift to like first gear. It sounds pretty cool.
Yeah. Sounds like you're gonna need a rebuild. Fun bike.
Yeah. You take 110 for it?
115.
Sure.
Right here, like an 82 Honda. And you can find plastics. You can buy a whole set of plastics for this for $39.
Yeah.
You actually got stuff already.
I think I already have a few from Mallory Mod.
Yeah. Oh, it's got monster stickers? That's
There's
actually 16 horsepower.
What?
There's 7 little gaps in there.
First one business again. I'll send you those parts.
Alright, sounds good.
They're in my. I just sold the truck and I forgot them in there.
You sure that's 115?
Okay. Don't have too much fun.
I won't.
They'll probably break down.
Hopefully not.
Piece of shit.
See ya.
See ya.
Oh, I thought he stuffed it in the snowbank. I was gonna laugh my ass.
Why is the guy sitting there revving the car and looking at it?
I don't know. It's a retail.
Oh my god, dude.
This thing's a piece of shit.
This thing is the biggest piece of shit I thought. I thought about this before.
Right away, dude. Where's the seat?
I was like, I thought it had its seat.
Oh my god, dude. It doesn't have an air filter.
Oh, hey,
Kickstand's bent to fuck.
she's got a good like 2 inches of suspension. I feel like that's like compressed.
No.
Yeah.
That's just
Dude,
all
you
I
need a
have,
new
buddy.
throttle instantly,
Yeah.
right away.
I need why?
It sticks.
It's terrible.
Let me see.
And you
Hold
can.
on to it.
No,
I
it's just more fun.
I swear you can unwind it all the way.
Okay,
It's
hold the
just
bike up
more
for a second.
fun.
Like
yeah,
this.
front brakes work anyway.
Okay, that plastic's dickered. Kickstart's like fucking
Look at the
goes.
seat. Hey, this seat is for extra horsepower.
Look at this fucking exhaust, dude.
And
Oh
look
my-
at the welds.
No,
Look at the time of
No,
this.
okay, first of all,
Horseshit welds.
hey, take your eyes off everything. I don't know.
Someone did a wheelie.
Something happened here.
Wait, see if
That
this-
might be
And
how
then
it goes. Just
It
kidding.
makes your eyes come down to this fancy exhaust tip, and it just, I like how
Well, let me tell you, YouTube viewers, if I didn't have you, I would not have fucking bought this thing.
Should we take the plastics off?
Don't do that. You don't need to fucking strip
Oh, at
on
least
them.
it's got the gas tank
Dude, the
bolted
best part of this bike is the shock and the swing arm. This amazingly built aluminum swing arm.
Dude, that thing. He goes, the exhaust hanger's broken.
Exhaust
on. That's a piece of wire.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I saw-
And you're like, he's like 115. He should have been like, wait, 111.3.
111.10.
Here, bring it over here.
On 10 cents.
Quit fucking shit up, dude. It's already dicked. Let's just say I fucking did this shit. Ah, it's got a kickstand on. The seat's not on it. I tried to grab it by the seat. The seat's not on it.
Yeah, let's take a look at. It's got nice
I think the exhaust just broke. The studs broke.
No, it's just loose.
No, it's just really loose.
It's
Oh,
like
that's
the
fine.
it's like the dicked one. Or
That's for the brake.
brake.
Yeah.
Man, how's that?
Yeah. Wait, whatever. Yeah.
She's got brakes. Well, that's just one more thing I can take off and
I've
sell.
seen this on Facebook one too many times, and now it's sitting in KP Moto's garage. Sitting in your.
He didn't say it was completely dicked.
Can't believe
Ah,
it's sitting-
shit, that was stupid.
Keaton?
Huh.
I can't believe this is sitting in your garage.
If
I
there's
can't
not
believe I
oil
bought
in
this.
this thing
That's what I was just gonna check, buddy.
You ready?
I'm scared. Not to.
The GoPro's about
Perfect.
to die. Oh, it's blacker than hell.
That's
but
okay.
I don't care.
blacker than the ace of
Fuck,
spades.
we'll run,
I guess I really wanted a project.
we'll run two-stroke on them. That's fine.
Get the clocks out.
They want to get the hell out of there as soon as he's like, all right, good, nice dealing with you.
Yeah, fine.
I'm gonna bring this in the shop tomorrow. Mr. Kumar, look what I bought.
Do it.
Look at the piece of shit I bought. It's got good bars, I think.
What's this say? Sync MX
Do you want-
2011.
Keaton, you know. you
That's
should
a
do-
1.
Load
That's
it up.
2011. That's 1.
Oh, 2001.
Dipshit.
Bring this.
Got hands on there.
I'm trying to kick it over. Move your hand off it. YouTube, what do you think? Piece of shit or not? Comment below. Just kidding. We all know it's a piece of
He's
shit.
gonna hurt his foot off that so goddamn much.
Can I comment?
You know, like,
You can comment.
Okay.
What is it?
No, I'm gonna comment on YouTube.
Oh, I know, but what is it? Piece of shit or not?
hey, make sure you subscribe to JF Moto.
And TH Moto working on the sled. Oh yeah.
I just wasted $100, $115.
There's no gas in it. What
I
an
know.
asshole.
I know. He told. Well, he was fucking sitting sideways in his fucking beat shit
He
Pontiac.
probably put it in the Pontiac.
All right, guys. Future videos to come. I know I'm gonna edit it, but it's gonna be worth it. Dude, I could stick my wank in this exhaust. Hey, let's see how low can you go. Just kidding.